Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another trade breakdown video. In this video we're going to be going over several trades taken on oil last week and the beginning of this week. All shorts. We've been absolutely ripping oil for shorts and making a lot of money on it. The win rate has been extremely high as well. I'm going to be going over in this video 5 trades that were taken on oil within the past 7 days. 4 of them which are wins and then 1 loss. I actually personally did not take this one right here, but it was completely valid based on my system, and some of our funded members took it, so I will review that one. But I took all 4 of these myself over here. These 4 trades netted me around $23,000 across all of my Topstep accounts, and as you can see in my channel here, this is me calling some of them here. This is the loss and the win. So these were all taken either in our live trading streams or sent into my VIP channel as a signal. So GG's to everyone that has been shorting this with me. And we're going to start from the high time frame and pretty much break down all of these trades, why we took all of them. So starting from the 4-hour time frame, 4/8 hour time frame, um, the 4-hour time frame was actually still bullish for a couple of these trades. We have 4 breaks up here and then 3 breaks down, so that's actually a reaccumulation model. But because of my system's amazing rules, we're able to get the bias also from the 8-hour, so we can go with either one. And the 8 hours bearish here, so I was looking for shorts going into this day or going into this week. Um, Wednesday last week was the first trade that we took, so the 1 hour was bearish here. You can see we have 4 breaks down, which obviously means bearishness. And let's see from right here, we'll just start from the first trade. We used a 15-minute zone for this trade. We have a 4 breaks down on the 15-minute here. This was the deepest supply zone for that break, most recent break. And then we got an bearish engulfing candle, which is our type 2 validation. And from there, we sell stopped the first cluster that we got. So stage 1 cluster to the downside. MAs look good here. And then this one, we were actually holding this one for a very long time, so I'll just speed this up. We had to close for rollover. It almost hit the TP. The TP was somewhere down here. I forget, somewhere around like 4RR. Didn't quite hit, but we had to close for rollover for a plus 1.4. So not bad, but not amazing. Then moving on to the next day. Next day, the zone we used for this trade was a 1-hour fractal break. So if we look at the 1 hour, you can see we had a push up. We had a fractal break 1. And that's the zone that we used, this zone right here. This outside candle was the zone for that fractal break 1 on the 1 hour. So we tapped into this zone, and so from this point forward, this candle right here, this was our type 1 validation. Then the swing candle updated to this candle eventually. But so here we took 1 loss and 1 win. So as you can see right here, we took the loss, which was a stage 1 cluster right here. If you draw this cluster zone, that was our stage 1 cluster. The MAs look good. They just crossed through the 200. And we took a loss, completely valid loss, nothing wrong with that. Then the whole setup was still valid, so I just took, re-entered on the Redis here. MA still looked good there. And we almost got tapped out there, but we actually stayed in. And then it flew to our TP at 4.26. So far for this week, we would have been up around 5.4, 4.6 RR. I don't know if I did the math right there, but anyways, going on to the third trade. So this was the same day as this one, but just in Asia session. So the 15-minute was still valid from all the way up here. The swing candles just updated to here, and we were still valid. The 15-minute started surfing the 20 MA here, so I was looking to enter a trade. Looking at the 1 minute, we had a very clean stage 1 here with these breaks down. We had a cluster, and then we broke up 3 times into stage 1 redistribution. MA started to look good for me, so I put a sell stop at the redistribution, and the TP for this one was 3.34 RR, and that one hit pretty quickly. So those were all the trades that I took, and then there was another trade actually on Monday this week. So this was Thursday. Friday there was nothing, and then Monday morning there was actually another win, which I unfortunately missed. I was busy entering some other trades, and I just missed this one somehow. But I'll just still break it down because we did have some funded members that took this one. So on the 15-minute here, 15 minutes still bearish, 1 hour still bearish as well. 1 hour is 5 breaks down, so still valid. The 15-minute made a fractal break here. What zone was this? Oh, sorry, no. I think I labeled this zone wrong. Yeah, this was a 1 hour fractal break, my bad. Um, 1 hour fractal break 1 hour fractal break 2, broke right there. We tapped it right after with this candle right there. We tapped it on the 15-minute, got a red triple M, which validated us, type 1 validation. We're looking really good tapping onto the 20 MA as well. And then the entry was on this stage 1 cluster to the downside right here. And this one pretty much hit TP within like 10 minutes. So that was another banger trade. Um, and yeah, that's all the oil trades recently. Hopefully we're still going to be rinsing this, taking more shorts on it, or if it starts going up, we'll just take longs. That's the beauty of day trading. But yeah, that's it for oil. I'll see you guys in the next trade breakdown.